Hello everyone, welcome back to Miller's Church Workshop. Uh, Slowly getting stuff emptied out of the garage, as you can kind of see behind me. I'm going to have to figure out some good camera stuff where to put it so I don't have to lean over. But the Craftsman table saw that I got is really a mess. It doesn't cut right, everything needs to be adjusted. Then you have the whole thing where uh, your slots are that weird craftsman thing with tabs, so you can never make anything good. So I found myself a deal, did some research, and for many reasons, ended up getting a skill table saw, which we're going to unbox now. We'll put it together with the legs and all that now, but then eventually we're going to tuck the legs in and build a side and outfeed table for it. But let's get busy opening it up. Thanks for checking in.